Another killer deal, another hack. This holiday season, this Black Friday 2022. Big shout out to my man owner at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group for providing this deal for us. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got, this is the gift center. Obviously, this is the holiday season deals. M12 fuel, 12 volt lithium ion cordless 3/8 ratchet and 1/4 inch impact driver kit. Two with batteries, charger, and a bag. So yeah, it does include the brand new impact driver. That's the Gen 3 brand new impact driver. And you get the ratchet. It is the high-speed ratchet, so it's one of the better ones. One of the newer ones. So newer tools, 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. $249, guys, down from $492. But if you guys go down here to the free gift with purchase, you can select the battery. It seems like this battery is going to be the hackable battery for the year, or for the time of being at least. Alright, so you choose that. Add both to cart. And let's see what we got here. Yeah, it says $1,000. Disregard that. So we got $59.97 for the battery. Not a bad deal, but still, you know, I wouldn't pay $60 for a battery like this. But the deal is $189, guys. $189 drops down to $189. Definitely check it out. It's a great solid deal for 2 brand new tools, or 2 newer tools, two batteries, a charger, and a bag. I'll leave you guys a link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.